Tony from her Homestead Skills, and today I'm going to, well, I'm doing a number of things. I have got some bread in the oven baking, and we're going to make candied pecans. And they're a delicious treat. They're a wonderful stocking stuffer to give away. So come along with me, and I will provide the recipe in the description for you. Okay, here we go. Okay, so this recipe calls for, to start off with, 1 egg white and 1 tablespoon of water. So we're going to separate the yolk from the white. Okay. And 1 tablespoon of water. And we beat this until it's light and fluffy. I'm just going to stop that for a minute, and I'm going to lightly grease a pan with sides on it to bake these in. Okay, and I'm just going to use a little bit of butter for that, just to coat it so nothing sticks. My oven is preheated to 220. And you want something with sides because you'll be turning these a few times. Okay, so that's done. Okay, back to fluffing up my... You do want this all light and fluffy. Okay, now what we want to do is add the pecans, and we've got 2 1/4 cups of pecans in this, and you want to get them all moistened. That looks good. Then what we want to do is take 1/2 cup of sugar, ¼ teaspoon of salt, and 1½ teaspoons of ground cinnamon. So there's my half, and there's my 1. So 1 teaspoon and ½ a teaspoon. Now you want to mix this all up. And I've got it in a shaker container, and I'm going to pour it on these pecans that have all been moistened. So you want to coat them completely with this mixture. Okay. And as you can see, they're still all moist now. Okay, so what we do at this point is we put them on this tray. I guess I could have doubled this. It looked like a lot, but anyway, as evenly as possible here. And we want to bake these in the oven and stir them every 15 minutes for about an hour. And it's at a very low temperature. The oven was set at 225 Fahrenheit. Okay, so they're going in the oven now. I'll get back to you when they come out. Okay, so my pecans have come out of the oven and they have cooled nicely. And what I'm going to do at this point is put them in little mason jars. The little tiny ones that I find that are not terribly useful for too much else. So, here we go. And these are perfect for gift giving during the holidays. Stocking stuffers. There's one. I might get 4 or 5 out of this. And they have to be cooled before you even attempt to do this. Oh, I think I can get one more. I have to go find another jar. Okay. Jar number 5. And a few extras, so let's see if we can fill these up a little bit more. Okay. Well, now that that's done, we definitely need new lids. You cannot use used lids for this if you're giving a gift to somebody. So. And 5. I really don't want to break up the pecans, so I'm being cautious how I screw these lids on. That's interesting. Okay. They're definitely full to overflowing. Okay. Okay. All right, and to make these a little more festive, we're going to put them in a little bag and tie it up with some jute. If I could find the end of this. There it is. Now I probably should make a little label for this and hang it on. This threaded onto the jute. I'll do that later. But for the time being, that is the extent of what I'm doing. So there we go. Holiday gift giving at its best. Homemade sugared pecans, and they are very yummy. I believe if you were to buy these in the store, they're fairly expensive as well. So, okay, there, I'm done. I've got 5 little jars of candied pecans all wrapped up and ready to give away as stocking stuffers or whatever, and yeah, holiday treats. So I'll put these aside until I make everything else I'm going to make. Okay, that's my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, hope you try making these. They're actually very easy and very tasty. Anyway, have a great day, and we'll catch you on the next one.